So in this video, we're going to compare Mailchimp and Omnisend in terms of their email campaigns. Let's take a look at Mailchimp first. So we are located in their dashboard, and in order to create a new campaign, you can go to Create or All Campaigns. Let's go to All Campaigns and click on Create. And then we can set up a regular email, automation, or a landing page. We just want a regular email in this case. So let's click on Design Email. And we are immediately taken to the email settings. We can set the to address, from address, subject, send time, everything else. But what we're most interested in is the content. So let's click on Design Email. And we are then taken to the email templates library. So you can see a bunch of options over here. And if you want to, for example, use the one free column one, you have to upgrade to use it. Because you see, Mailchimp offers only 7 free templates on their free plan. For example, you can start from scratch. You can use them bold, minimal, natural, simple text, SMS, survey, and gallery options. So okay, those are 8 if you want to count start from scratch as a template. And if you want to use any other template, you would have to upgrade to an essential plan, for example. Anything that stands out, you will have to pay for it. So let's click on free templates only again, and let's select one of the templates. Let's go with the minimal option. Apply, and we are taken to the email builder. So you can add the content over here, or you can add the layouts over here. Everything is a drag and drop builder, just like in Omnisend. So you can add a bunch of buttons, you can add a paragraph, heading, divider, spacer, image, anything you want. You can even add a video into the email. As an e-commerce merchant, you are most likely most interested in the product recommender and the product listings options over here. So if you drag this one, you can then select products from your page. For example, sweater gift. Let's click over here, add products, and it automatically populates it. Additionally, you can also add a product recommender block. So drag and drop it over here and select the product feed. Now the product feed are the parameters you want to set for the product recommendations. So if you click on the create new product feed, you can select an option to classic recommendations, bestsellers, new arrivals, random, or most viewed. For example, if you want to go with most viewed, click over here, select the fallback recommendation, for example, new arrivals, and save it. So it would be custom feed number 2 in my case. And then you can select the content. For example, if you want to include 2 products, 3 products, 4 products, etc. You can adjust the layout of it. You can include optional details. You can adjust the design. Everything's very simple, ready to go. So in the preview, it looks like this, but once you actually send the email, it's going to populate it with actual products from your store. Now let's go back to the left side over here, and we can also select the styles. We can edit the background color, body color over here in the desktop or on mobile. And we can also adjust the text, for example, if you want to make your text look consistent across the board. You can also adjust the link settings, buttons, everything else. And you can do the same on mobile. If you want to have a different design on mobile, you have the option to do so. Additionally, there's the Optimize tab, which can help you optimize your email. For example, find any missing links. And if you want to adjust any block that is currently in your email, you can just click on it and see the options that it gives you. And lastly, if you want to preview the email, click over here to preview, and you can do it on desktop, mobile, or even in the inbox. Well, if you pay for it. And that is pretty much it on the Mailchimp side. Let's switch over to Omnisend. So in order to create a new email campaign, we go to Campaigns, Create Campaign, and we select Email. And then we are taken to the email setup process. Email settings, email template, email content, content audience, and review. So first things first, we're gonna need a subject line. So let's just call it a test, I'd say. And everything else, let's keep it as is. And then we are taken to the email template library, which is huge, to say the least. And there are a lot of templates to choose from. If you feel a bit overwhelmed with the options, you can always filter by goal, theme, or even type. Fashion and lifestyle. For example, if we're selling shoes or skincare products, we can just click over here and see the templates that we offer. Let's actually go with this one. And we are then taken to the email builder. So Omnisend's email builder is similar to Mailchimp in that you can also drag and drop elements from the left side, and you can adjust them, in Omnisend's case, on the right side. Each element you click on will have options on the right side instead of just replacing the left side. You can always add elements from the left and adjust said elements on the right. So you can add a text, button, image, video, everything else, as well as a product recommender or product listing. Now what's interesting on Omnisend side is the discount block that you can add to your emails. You just click drag and drop, and it is going to generate a discount code for this email automatically because I'm on Shopify store. This is only a feature that works on Shopify stores, not on BigCommerce, not on WooCommerce. Sorry guys. But for e-commerce merchants using those stores, you can add the discount manually. Now, since I'm on a Shopify store, I can adjust the discount to fit my liking. I can give a card discount, I can offer free shipping instead, and if I give a card discount, I can give a fixed amount, I can give a percentage, and it applies to all orders or any other option that you would prefer to have for discounts. Now, if you're looking for layouts, you can hover over Quick Add, scroll down a little bit, and there you can see the layouts. Now, to compare the product recommender and product listing features, let's drag and drop these as well. Now, if you click on the product recommender, you can adjust a lot of settings over here. You can select the number of products to show, up to 12, and you can even select the columns that you would like to use. For example, 12 products, 3 columns. That's a lot of products. So let's adjust it back to, let's say, 9. And we can also select products to recommend, recently added products, most viewed products, or best-selling products. And we can adjust the time frame, select specific categories that we would like to include or exclude, and a lot of different options. Now, the product picker, or the product listing in our case, you would just drag and drop it, pick products from our store, for example, a sweater gift, and let's say your custom image on a sweater, add those, and it automatically populates these options. You can also adjust the layout type, for example, left to right, or like this, or like that. It's really up to you. I would actually change the number of columns to 2 in this case. There you go, much better. Both Mailchimp and Omnisend offer robust features in terms of their campaign builder, but Omnisend takes it a step further with their discount field and a lot more options for the product recommender and product picker elements. On top of that, Omnisend offers expansive email templates library that you can use for free. And that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.